Welcome to our top 5 best Dyson Airsrait alternatives on Amazon 2026. You'll find all the product links in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the IG Inglam Air Straightener, the innovative wet-to-dry styling tool that dries and straightens your hair at the same time. Designed with high-speed airflow technology, it smooths your hair without relying on extreme heat, helping reduce damage while boosting shine. With multiple temperature and airflow settings, you can customize your styling experience for your specific hair type. The built-in negative ion technology helps minimize frizz and leave your hair sleek and polished. Featuring intelligent heat control for consistent performance and added protection, this all-in-one tool delivers fast, effortless, salon-quality results right at home. Meet the advanced 2-in-1 hair straightener and dryer, designed to streamline your routine. It combines powerful airflow with precision heat to dry and smooth your hair at the same time. With customizable temperature and airflow settings, you can adapt it to your hair type while reducing frizz and boosting shine through ionic technology. It also features a fast heat-up system and an easy-to-read LCD display for precise control, along with a built-in auto shut-off function for added safety. Fast, efficient, and easy to use, it delivers sleek, polished results in one simple step. Jellyfish Air Gap Dryer, the compact and innovative hairstyling tool that dries and straightens in one step. This 2-in-1 air straightener uses zero-touch airflow technology and a high-speed brushless motor to guide strands gently into powerful airflow for smooth results without traditional heated plates. Its no-heat damage design helps protect hair by using uniform airflow to dry and smooth at the same time, reducing frizz and enhancing shine with consistent performance. Lightweight and easy to handle, this styling tool delivers naturally straight, polished hair with less breakage and fewer passes, simplifying your routine while protecting hair health. The Shark Silky Pro Straight Wet-to-Dry Straightener, a powerful all-in-one tool that dries and straightens in a single step. Using high-velocity airflow combined with advanced ceramic heat technology, it delivers smooth, sleek results faster while helping reduce heat damage. With interchangeable comb attachments for different styling needs and intelligent temperature control that constantly adjusts for protection, it's designed to give you salon-quality straight hair from wet or dry with less effort and more shine. Introducing the Slope Hill 2-in-1 Hair Straightener and Blow Dryer, a multifunctional styling tool that dries and straightens at the same time. Its powerful, high-speed airflow quickly transforms damp hair into smooth, sleek styles without the need for separate tools. With 5 adjustable heat levels and smart temperature management, you can tailor the settings for fine, thick, or treated hair while helping protect against excessive heat. It heats up almost instantly and features wide, snag-proof floating plates that glide through hair to reduce pulling or breakage. Lightweight and easy to handle, this all-in-one device helps you save time while achieving salon-caliber smoothness and shine every day. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to check the description and pinned comment for all the links. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the best beauty tips and reviews. See you in the next video!